Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. We are getting Lily ready for her pills, and I found something better than granola bars, Rice Krispie treats. So we are going to put her pills and little pieces of Rice Krispie treats, and it looks like my cat is very, very interested in what's going on. Don't eat that. Of course, it'd probably help you out, wouldn't it? Let's see. Would it help you too? Would it? What do you want? You're wanting some chicken, huh? Okay, well, come on. We got to get Lily's pills first. All right, let me take care of some business here. So what I did was I just pulled out all of the chicken that I roasted the other day. I roasted 2 chickens, and I just sat it out there for him so I can get Lily's pills in her. He's like, what in the world? All right, let me get back to pills. Okay, so we got Thor taken care of. Let's go ahead. We're going to put our pills right in here. And I'm going to tell you, she quit taking it in the granola bars and vitamin complex gel. Then I started her with sliding them into grapes, but they were dissolving so much that she could taste the medication. But this here, let's go give it to him. Give it to her. I'm trying to figure out what he's going off about. Now, I know there was a groundhog over there the other day. I'm hoping that's what it is. All right, let's get to Lily. Oh, look around me. Oh, shoot. Look at him. Ah, I'm being attacked. All right. Ah. Hello, sugar butt. Look here. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Once I get her started. Oh, what are you doing? Did you know? She thinks it's in there. I'll be damned. Just put a little bit more on it. Okay, here. Come on. Okay. We got none down her yet. And then a fake piece. And then a pill. And then, I don't know if she can eat all of that or not. Get your head in there. Get your head in there. That drives me nuts. I can't stand that. Okay, so she's already had her goat pellets this morning and fresh water. So I did this. Oh no, it's all gone. What are you up to, silly? So in a couple of hours, I'm going to get her out and take her out. Oh, I hate when you put your head through there. It drives me nuts. You know, Tut, I know you don't feel good, buddy, but your girls have been out for like 2 hours now, 3 hours. Hey, Cider, are you up there? Yes, you are. What are you doing up there? All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. I've got to go feed the babies. You guys have already been fed once. You should be out digging worms. Hello, Miss Pigeon. Hi, baby. All right. Look, this is not yours. Okay? This is not yours. Hi, Darcy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is not yours. Ah, I'm running. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Gentleman. Hello, Mr. Raw. Boy, you're beautiful. Look at you. I might share some of this with you guys just to get you away from the fence. All right, come on. Come on, girls. Come on, Raw. have some chick food. It's non-medicated. It's not going to hurt them. Just put a little bit down here so I can get them away from me. All right, let's get to the babies. All right, let's get to the babies. Hello, little babies. Uh-oh. We need food. We need water. We need to start opening up these windows because we are at 72 degrees in here already. All right, so let me get situated here. Ah, watch out, babies. I'm going to take this first. Oh, my goodness. Lots of onion. What? You guys are so silly. You guys are so silly. Hey. Quit being so wild. What? Oh, I've got to get that one rooster out of there. He just causes the chaos for everybody. Okay. You get your waters. And then we'll work with little pretty girl or boy. How are you today? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. Oops. My depth perception is off. Okay guys, we got another aerial attack. Now, see what I'm doing? Okay, let's not get spooky scared. Come on, look. Look here. Here. And that is kale. That's the cut kale. And I'm going to bring more food up to them here in a little bit, but I just wanted them to start, scratching for seed and grit and kale right now. So this is kind of like the hunting time of their day of learning how to do that. All right, so we need to get to Priscilla or Elvis, whichever the case is, because already spilled water. So what I do is I just I really watch feet. I am like really weird about this because I don't want to hurt anyone's feet. So just move that over to get to hers. And now let's take care of this baby. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Are you going to get out? What, baby? Are you hungry? Okay, I know you're awful thin, I think. I don't know. Are they supposed to be thin? All right, let me get her set up. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. You're so pretty. Okay, we'll get you some kale. Oh, where are you going? Don't fight with the little ones. All right, come on, let's go back in. Look, come on. Oh, there you go. You got your piece of kale. Such a good girl or boy. I just have my feeling it's a boy, because there's some noises that it makes when you feed it. It's like the roosters when they call, but that could be wrong. All right, so I need to grab this screen right here to put over when I water my totes for greens. I have my other one over there blocking the outlet, So we're going to leave this door open. And look there. Nosy Rosies. All right, let's get out of here. Well, I'm glad I stopped to film you because there's my pan from your breakfast this morning. He had a really good run this morning, super, super early. And then it was way after daylight before I put him back up, and he was starved to death. So this morning he got scrambled eggs with spaghetti and chicken on his dog food. It looks like he ate it all. I really struggle with his weight. He needs to be heavier, but I know he eats because I'm the one that feeds him. All right, let's keep going. Look at this beauty. Look at that. Ooh, don't look at the sun. But it's there today. And Tut's up now. Really? Now what? Now what? Did you get some, or do you want me to just pull some out? Let's see. All right. What are you looking for? Hmm? No peeping yet. What are you looking for? What are you doing? Thor. Thor. Excuse me. Oh, I know what he's doing. He's sensing how warm it is up there. If I catch you laying on the top of my incubator, you will be in trouble. Just saying. Okay, let's just pull him some out. And how about a leg? All right, we'll get that put away. Okay, so yesterday I made spaghetti and meatballs with garlic bread, and I pulled out enough spaghetti noodles in another container. And so we're going to give these spaghetti noodles to these girls out here that act like they're starved to death. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where are all the chickens? Oh, here comes Teresa and Ruth. Oh, honey, you don't have to run that far. We're just going to put it right here. Okay? There's Spitfire. That's that Bluebonnet hybrid. She is crazy. But out of all the gray birds I have, she is the most sturdy. But they use those white leghorns, and boy, she is flighty as heck. But she lays a huge powder blue egg. There goes Cider. Cider knows how to run this game. She's like, yep, I know how to run this game. All right. She's in and out, man. Watch her. In and out. In and out. I pardon any um, dog piles in the yard, but I haven't cleaned up since last night. And my husband had the dogs last night. Man, spaghetti is one of their favorites. Hi, baby. There's one in there. Can you get it? There's one in there. Did you get it? Good girl. All right. Well, there's only one. See, look, there's only one. There's no more. It's all gone. Hey, 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 there's no reason for that. There's plenty. I could do a whole video on Cider. She is just the most amazing bird. And that's why when, she was killed in my mind by the dog, it absolutely tormented me. Because if you just watch her in videos, it's funny. What matter, pigeon? They're not playing with you? Hold on. Let me get a couple pieces over here. Watch out, everybody. Where is Tut? Tut! Where are you? Tut! Forget it. Where is he? All right, I've got to go find this rooster. You look so. You could do one of those commercials of abused goat. That's the look she has. I just want that medicine to start working on her before I make her come out. Tut! Are you in here? Well, is he? Where's Tut? Well, there you are. He's starting to look a little better. He was looking really rough there for a while. Hi, baby. Where were you? You didn't pay attention? Well, you should. Okay. He's normally really good. He will come when I call him. There's nothing in the bowl. I promise. There's nothing left. You know what we could do is take Daddy's food, though, huh? He doesn't need food. Look at all these poor baby, starved to death chickens. All right. You all have a great day. Hugs from a distance. I'm going to be working in the garden today. I'm going to be getting some trellises and hanging things in. I do have some more seeds to plant and all of those over there in that tray that I need to get done. Flowers to plant. It's starting to look really, really cool. And I'll keep you updated. You'll have a great day. Hugs from a distance.